Class 2, English 1, Chapter 7, Naming Words for Belonging, Part 4. Topic for today is Let us write, given on page number 32. So children, do you remember how do we show the position? How do we show the belonging? When we are saying something belongs to someone, how do we say it in naming word? By adding apostrophe and s. So here is another activity that we are going to do, and let me see how much you remember and how you're going to answer these questions. So all of you come to page number 32 and let's read together the instruction given there. Read the sentences in column A, rewrite them in column B after adding apostrophe and s to the correct naming words. To the correct naming word means we have to use apostrophe and s to the naming word who owns that thing, means who's the master of that thing. If something belongs to me, I'm the owner. So same way you have to find which naming word is the owner and which naming word belongs to that owner. Okay. So here there is one example given. There are two columns, column A and column B. Now in column B you are going to write your answers. So first question is an example. So you can find the answer written there. This pen belongs to my aunt. So how do we write it in to show the possession? Who owns it? Aunt own. Which are the naming words? First of all, tell me. The naming words in this sentence are pen and aunt, right? So who will own the thing? Aunt will own the thing or pen will own aunt? Aunt will own the thing. So how should we say it here? This is my aunt's pen. So here you have to write AUNT apostrophe and S and the thing that belongs to her. So the sentence would be, this is my aunt's pen, and put a full stop there. Question 2. That box belongs to Meenu. So whose possession is this? Meenu has something, and what is that? Box. So how will we say? That is Meenu's box. So MINU apostrophe and S. So we will write T capital. That is Meenu's, M capital, it's a special name, box, full stop. Question number 3. That bicycle belongs to Tarun. So here the naming words are bicycle and Tarun. And Tarun is the owner of the bicycle. The cycle belongs to Tarun, right? So T special name. So we have to write like this. That is Tarun's bicycle. We cannot say bicycle's Tarun. Can we say like that? No. So we have to say that is Tarun's bicycle. Question number 4. This house belongs to Sheila. So the special name here is Sheila, and something belongs to her, and that thing is house. So we say this is Sheila's house. Here also you have to write T is the first letter, so you have to write T capital. Sheila is a special name, so you have to write S capital and end this sentence with a full stop. Then question number 5. The toys belong to Bob. So here also we are taking a special name, that is Bob, and his belonging is toys. So either you can say, because there is no demonstration here, this, that, like that. So either, and it is toys, it's plural, so here we cannot say this, that, we have to say either those or these. Or we can simply say, because we have to write it as a sentence, then you have to say these are Bob's toys or those are Bob's toys, right? Or simply say Bob's toys. But that will not be a sentence. If you use these and those, then it becomes a sentence. These are Bob's toys, you can write like this also, or those are Bob's toys. So I hope you have understood this exercise. Please do this exercise in your copy neatly and revise it well and read it loudly. When you are writing it in your copy, after writing it also, you have to read it at least 2 to 3 times loudly and clearly. That's all for today, children. Take care.